Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 8/9/2017 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in criminal miscellaneous writ petition number 18308 of 2017, by which the High Court has dismissed the said writ petition preferred by the appellants herein, filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, for quashing the first information report registered as case crime number 790 of 2017, under sections 420 and 406 IPC, Police Station Loni Border, District Ghaziabad. The original writ petitioners accused have preferred the present appeal. The relevant facts necessary for deciding the present appeal are as under: that 1. Messrs. Varun Beverages Limited is a licensed franchise of PepsiCo India Private Limited and engaged in the manufacture and sale of carbonated sweetened water, fruit juice, packaged drinking water under the PepsiCo brand, that in the year 2013, the Messrs. Varun Beverages Limited appointed the firm of the complainant Sanjay Sharma as a distributor in the area of Loni, District Ghaziabad, to sell and distribute the products manufactured by the company, that in the year 2014, the company terminated the contract of distributorship, which according to the appellants was due to non-payment of dues by respondent number 1 herein, original complainant, according to the appellants, thereafter on reconciliation of accounts and as per the statement of accounts maintained by the company, after adjusting of all claims and security deposit, a sum of rupees 9,46,000 was found to be outstanding upon the complainant, towards the material supplied to him, The complainant issued a check dated 15/9/2014 in favor of the company, The said check was presented for encashment on 22/9/2014, The same was dishonored and returned unpaid by the banker of the complainant due to insufficient funds, that thereafter due to non-payment after the issuance of the statutory legal notices, appellants herein filed a criminal complaint under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act on 7/11/2014 against respondent and his company Thakur Trading, in the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Ghaziabad, being complaint case number 7652 of 2014, Respondent has been summoned to face the trial, The said complaint is presently pending for disposal, Respondent filed a complaint against one of the officers of the company, being FIR number 1565 of 2014 dated 15/9/2014, alleging misappropriation of rupees 6 lakhs by one of the officers of the company, namely Vipul Verma, that after investigation by the police, the investigating officer submitted a negative final report number 47 of 2015 dated 20/1/2015, Respondent also filed another case on 9/2/2015 for misappropriation of rupees 31 lakhs by the appellants, that thereafter respondent filed a complaint application under section 156(3) CRPC in the Court of Learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, 1st Ghaziabad, for issuance of direction to the police station Loni to register FIR against the appellants herein and two other officers of the company alleging misappropriation of an amount of rupees 31 lakhs. The learned magistrate, instead of directing the police to register FIR, decided to inquire into the matter by treating the same as a complaint case.